This week at Area 5, we're going to talk about food and energy, and specifically, we're going to talk about food in the form of carbohydrates. Whenever we take in a carbohydrate into our body, that is then transferred into high energy. We all want energy in our lives, and we need energy to do the various things that we want to do, walking, playing, hanging out with our family. And so this week, we're going to talk about carbohydrates and how they work in our bodies. They're good primarily, but there are some negative aspects of carbohydrates we'll talk about too. There are two types of carbohydrates. There's a simple carbohydrate and there's a complex carbohydrate. Good simple carbohydrates are examples of these two fruits. Lots of glucose in these fruits that we use as our bodies to transfer into energy. And there are simple carbohydrates that are in the form of these kind of fruits or these kind of sugars. Suckers, candies, Pop-Tarts, things we may all enjoy, but necessarily aren't good for us in those forms. And then we have the complex carbohydrates. We all love breads, homemade breads, store-bought breads, different types of grains, pastas that we have. And so all of these types of foods that we take in are carbohydrates that then are used in our body to produce energy. We'll talk about these topics this week and how these foods impact our lives.